Does onion juice control hair loss? This question we have been asking each other for a long time. And believe me, for past many years, patients also ask us this question, doctor, if I keep on applying onion juice, is it okay? Will onion juice help me in regrowing new hair, or will it stop hair fall? So I wanted to address all these questions in today's video. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, and I've been giving my services to Saraswat Hospital Agra for past more than a decade. Please subscribe to Saraswat Hospital Agra YouTube channel for many more such educational and testimonial videos. Also, if you want to find out how you would look after your hair transplant even before undergoing surgery, we'll be explaining it in the middle of the video. Firstly, onion juice. Coming straight to the various researches available regarding role of onion juice in hair loss control and regrowth of hair. Now, there has been a study in 2002 in patients having alopecia areata, which is actually, circular bald patches on the scalp. Maybe you have seen coin-like patches. Sometimes they are very specific in a specific pattern of circles on the scalp. Otherwise, they may be there along with androgenetic alopecia also. This study showed that people who applied onion juice twice a day on their alopecia areata patches gained hair much more than people who applied water on their alopecia areata patches on the scalp. This was done for 2 months and then the results were published. Now, how does onion juice help? First of all, onion contains a lot of sulfur. It is abundant in sulfur. Sulfur is a mineral required in various proteins as well as the enzymes and other structures. Now, hair is made up of keratin. So, if there is abundance of sulfur, keratin formation is helped. Thus, the hair becomes thicker and better. Please press the like button, and now we'll be seeing how onion juice helps on the scalp. Onion juice, when applied on the scalp, increases the microcirculation of the scalp. This increases the nutrients which reach the hair roots, and thus hair becomes better. It has been told by the researchers, by the publications, that collagen in the scalp increases when we apply routinely onion juice for quite some time. Now, when collagen is increased, the structure of scalp becomes better, circulation also increases, and thus the hair roots become stronger and the hair becomes better. Apart from that, onion has a lot of antimicrobial properties also. So it helps us to better the biogenome of hair so that dandruff, lice, and some other infections, if there are decreased by onion juice. If you are losing a lot of hair, rather if you have lost a lot of hair, you want to undergo hair transplant, you can contact us on the numbers below, or you can WhatsApp us your pictures so that we may help you. Patients also say that, doctor, how do I take out the juice? It's very simple. You just have to peel an onion, you cut it into pieces and grind it in a grinder. Then you take the juice out by a muslin cloth. You can apply this juice directly to the scalp, but then there could be a possibility that you are allergic to this juice in its concentrated form. It may happen that you have itching or you have redness, or if it is even more severe, you may have some papules, some dane on the scalp. Then you need to stop applying concentrated onion juice. First of all, see your hair doctor. Then again, if you don't have so much of it but you have just redness or a little itching, you can dilute this juice with equal quantities of either coconut oil or castor oil or any other oil of your choice, like rosemary oil or lavender oil, so that you get the benefit of these essential oils also along with onion. A very good hair mask has been told by patients themselves to me is applying onion juice with honey in equal quantities, and they apply it either once or twice a week with good results when you keep on the application for a few weeks or months. If you know any other hair pack which may help others, any other essential oil or any other thing along with onion which can be used, you may write in the comment section below so that others may also be helped by it. If you think onion juice is helping you but you don't like the smell of it, either the oils will decrease the smell or you can add lemon juice to it so that it is tolerable. Coming to the PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital app, if you want to undergo a hair transplant, but firstly, before even undergoing the surgery, you want to know how you would look after your hair transplant, you can take help of Saraswat Hospital PeekAI feature in just very simple 3 steps. Number 1, download the Saraswat Hospital app. Number 2, click on the PeekAI feature, which is machine learning algorithm. Number 3, upload your pictures. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll be receiving your pictures on your mail along with tentative number of grafts which would be required by you to undergo your hair transplant. Not only that, we would be giving you a set of a few questions which you can ask your doctor when you go for a hair transplant consultation so that you understand your procedure in a much more better way, so that you also take part in the planning of your hair transplant. If you want to know about other home remedies for hair loss, you can click on the video above. It is important to know that if you're losing up to 100 strands every day, it is normal because eventually you'll be gaining them also. And if you lose a bit more and you start with onion juice and you feel you are not getting any better, then it is recommended by me and by all the doctors that you take medical help for your hair loss. The maximum you can try onion juice is for 8 to 12 weeks. If after that you are not seeing any result, please see your hair doctor because it is important to diagnose why you are having this hair loss, and probably you will be needing medication or much more help than only onion juice. So it's good as a home remedy. It will not harm you if you are not allergic to it, but at the same time, if you are not gaining benefit, if you keep on losing a lot of hair in spite of onion juice, do visit your hair doctor, and a very qualified doctor having good credentials, and take help for the hair loss you are having. Do not sit at home and rely only on the onion juice, though it is helpful in many cases when initially you are having a bit of hair fall. Thank you once again. Please share this video with your family or friends who are having hair loss and who want to apply onion juice on their scalp. If you want to see a hair transplant testimonial of one of the patients of Saraswat Hospital Agra, you can click the link on the left. And if you want to know that you are getting bald but what grade of baldness you are in, you can click the video on the right.